Okay, so I'm done with both sides. Then now I want to attach the magnetic hooks to the bag. So you use another fishing line 0.6 mm. Then you bend the magnetic hook like this. So that's your fishing line to the edge. Then take one of the bent magnetic hook. Then you'd interlock the hook like what you do for the beads. So we've gotten this one. So I've done that. Now I just pass the fishing line to the holes. There's no specific way of attaching magnetic hook. I just do a random way and I make sure that the magnetic hook is strong and firm on the bag. So there's no specific way of adding the hook. So I've passed it through, then it's getting firm now. And I'm just going to pass it around if it's possible. And then lock. Okay, so I've locked it now. I just want to tie it if possible. So just pass the fishing line down here. So now let's, okay, it's firm enough. So just form a knot. Then you hide the knot you just form. So like I said, that there's no specific way of you making the metallic clasp, as long as it is neatly done and it is firm on the bag. And I've done one part, so we'll do the other ones off camera.